Did you know that 95% of diets fail? Yep, you heard that right. And if you've ever felt stuck in that endless cycle of losing 10 pounds just to gain back 15, trust me, you're not alone. But what if I told you the problem isn't your willpower, it's your strategy? I spent years blaming myself for failing at weight loss until I discovered the 3 non-negotiable rules that finally helped me drop 40 pounds and keep it off. No starvation, no crazy workouts, just science-backed habits that actually stick. Sound too good to be true? Let's fix that. Today, I'm breaking down the 3-step framework that changed everything. 1, habit building, the step everyone skips. 2, regular exercise. Spoiler, it's not about killing yourself at the gym. And 3, just wait. Yes, waiting is a secret weapon. Oh, and I'll even share a quick win you can try right now. Deal? Step 1, habit building. Let's start with your current habits. Yes, the ones you're maybe avoiding. Do you snack when bored? Crave sweets after meals? Or sip sugary drinks all day? No judgment. I've been there. But here's the truth. Lasting change starts by swapping old habits with new ones, not erasing them. For example, if you drink soda daily, switch to sugar-free versions first. If you're addicted to candy, eat the foods you actually enjoy, like dark chocolate or fruit, instead of forcing diet foods. If you eat 5 times a day, try cutting to 2 nutrient-packed meals. And here's the key. When you start, don't stress about doing it perfectly. Just remember to do the new habit. Forget the calories, the timing, just focus on showing up. Your brain needs repetition, not pressure. Small wins, big results. Step 2, regular exercise. Okay, time to talk about the gym, but not the way you think. Here's your secret weapon, AI-powered fitness plans. Yep, you heard me. You can create a personalized gym program almost entirely using AI tools, and it can be tailored to your life. Here's how. Tell the AI your goal. Like, I want to lose weight. How many days you can realistically hit the gym? Be honest, 3 days or 5 days. And any injuries or preferences. It'll spit out a plan that actually fits your schedule. But here's the catch. Discipline is non-negotiable. Follow the plan like it's your part-time job. And remember, the gym only works if you've nailed step 1. You can't out-train bad habits. So keep those swaps in check. Step 3, just wait. Now, here's the easiest step, but also the hardest. Just wait. If you're crushing step 1 and step 2, weight loss is inevitable. Seriously, it's impossible not to see results if you stick to these 2 rules. Your body has to change. But here's the fun part. Every 2 weeks, you get to eat whatever you want for 1 meal. Not a day, 1 meal. Pizza, fries, a whole cheesecake? Go wild. Why? Because restriction breeds obsession. This keeps your metabolism guessing and your sanity intact. Just remember, it's 1 meal every 2 weeks. Not cheat day, cheat meal. Mark it on your calendar. Own it. Then get back to the plan. Trust me, you've earned this. Look, weight loss isn't about perfection. It's about playing the long game. Ditch the all-or-nothing mindset. Use these 3 rules to build habits that don't feel like prison. And hey, if you try just one thing from this video, make it the cheat meal rule. Slide into comments and tell me what you're eating first. You've got this. Now go crush your day and maybe eat a donut. Balance, people.